Hey, quick tutorial on wrapping silky scarves, the long ones. So what I do is I start off by tucking that little front end, and then I'm going to tie it at the back, and I'm going to do this like cool little bow style. Slippery silky scarves look amazing. They are worth the effort, but they're not easy. So there we go. Tying that side. And now what I'm going to do is basically I have my shaper underneath here, and I'm folding this around the velvet at the front. I'll make it extra secure. There you go. And you really layering is not something that you really want to do with silk scarves unless you're layering it on top of a scarf. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to tie it in a bow. Just to hang down nicely like that. And then I have our accessory, which is basically like this elastic band, cool thing that you can tie around it. I'm gonna do that. And even more. Just kind of let it bunch out, and then we have that accessory there. And there you have it.